Hello friends! Let's learn some colors and shapes. First I have blue paint. Let's fill the circle. We have a bright blue circle. Let's dip a stamp in the blue paint. It's an elephant. Let's press it on the paper. Wow, I have a beautiful blue elephant. Today is his birthday. Happy birthday, elephant! The first guest is here. It's Hello Kitty. Let's give her a festive hat. Hello Fox.
Hello.
Thank you for the gifts. We'll open them later. Now we have yellow paint. Let's put it in the polygon. Wow, we have a yellow polygon. It's so colorful. Let's dip a stamp in the yellow paint. It's a giraffe. Let's press it on the paper. Wow, I have a yellow giraffe. Here is a festive hat. Hello, jellyfish.
Hello.
This hat is for you. Hello, parrot. Take a festive hat. Thank you for the gifts. They're so nice. Now we have red paint. Let's fill the oval. We have a red oval. It's so beautiful. Let's dip a stamp in the red paint. It's Peppa Pig. Let's press her on the paper. Wow, I have red Peppa Pig. Thanks for your gift. Here's George Pig with his dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Hello, hamster.
Hello.
Your gift is so cute. Now I have orange paint. Let's pour it in the square. Wow, we have an orange square. It's so bright. Let's dip a stamp in the orange paint. It's a lion. Let's press it on the paper. Wow, I have an orange lion. Hello, penguin.
Hello.
Here is a festive hat. Thank you for the gifts. Dog is here. Take a festive hat. Your gift is great. Now we have green paint. Let's fill the sector. Wow, we have a green sector. Let's dip a stamp in the green paint. It's a dinosaur. Let's press it in the paper. Wow, I have a green dinosaur. Thank you for the gift. Hello, whale. Take a festive hat. Thanks. Here's cat. Welcome.
Wow.
Finally, I have purple paint. Let's put it in the rectangle. Wow, we have a colorful purple rectangle. Now we have the blue circle, the yellow polygon, the red oval, the orange square, the green sector, and the purple rectangle. Let's dip a stamp in the purple paint. It's a hippo. Let's press it on the paper. Wow, it's a purple hippo. The gift is so bright. Pigeon is here. Welcome. Take a festive hat. Hello, chameleon.
Hello.
Thank you for the gifts, guys. This party is so fun, but I guess it's time to open the presents. Wow, so many amazing gifts. Let's start with the orange one. Wow, it's a popsicle. So yummy. It's a crown. It's so bright. Wow, it's a fun cactus. He's sticking his tongue out at me. What a naughty. It's an airplane. Wow, it's a lipstick? It's so lovely. Wow, I guess it's a lunar rover. Maybe, I'm not sure, but it's great. Wow, it's a cute cloud and the rainbow. So beautiful. It's a baseball cap. It's so cute. Wow, we have glasses. They're so nice. It's a flower. So pretty. It's a heart-shaped lamp. It's very original. These are flip-flops. I like them. Wow, it's a candy!
Yummy!
It's a ball. I think elephants love playing sport. We have headphones. Everyone loves music. Wow, it's hot air balloon. Maybe elephant will go traveling. Wow, it's a sailboat. It's a lovely backpack. The party is over. It was so much fun. Elephant is so happy. Thank you, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.